Hey, how's it going, guys? This is gonna be today's trade recap. It's gonna be March 16th today. Pretty difficult day, to be honest. It was very difficult. Um, I mean, Today was a very big test on patience. So hold up, let's dive right in. Right. So going off to 50-minute, we immediately as soon as we opened, right, market took out these lows, right, and also rebalanced into this fair value gap. Correct. I believe ES did the same as well. Yeah. So there was no SMT formed on that aspect. Correct. And immediately after that sweep, we had like straight reaction, right? Is my mic working? I hope it is. Yeah. Immediately after that sweep, we had straight reaction going higher, right? We took out highs, right? Took out these highs right there, these highs right here, right? And then following that, we had a rebalance into this range, correct? I was looking for a possible entry to go long here, but I mean, look at this displacement candle. This displacement candle was like how many points even is that, dog? Like 50 points. I got like, bro, that's terrible. Like we even like got to liquidity off that displacement, right? Like that is a really crazy candle, right? So I mean, being smart and just being patient, we just waited until a pullback, correct? Waiting for a pullback off of this range into the point 0.5. I believe we actually tapped the 0.62 perfectly on this range. Correct, right? So I took two trades today, right? My first trade was this. This was my first trade. Stops are going to be at the low, targeting the high, right? For a 1-to-1, actually, entry would have been right here. Oh, entry was next candle open right there. Yeah, so we're targeting a 1-to-1 right there, right? But immediately we got wicked out, and it just didn't play in our favor, right? Why did I lose this trade? I lost this trade because of very premature entry, correct? If we were truly bullish, we would have closed above this fair value gap right here, and that would have been a disrespect, and that would have given me a true indication that, okay, we're going to probably go higher. But instead, we respected it, right? So I should have waited for another candle, which could have saved me that loss, right? So patience was a very big thing today, right? But obviously, I still have that bullish narrative, correct? So yeah, we took a loss on my 150K eval on this trade. Luckily, it's an eval, nothing to worry about. But with that being said, we took a win on another 150K eval, correct? And those are posted on my Discord. So this is my second trade, right? Second trade, we ended up making a SMT, I believe, off these lows. Where was it? This candle. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it ended up making an SMT at the lows, correct? Not only that, we ended up sweeping internal liquidity, correct? So turtle soup of the low, right? And then after that, what do? We just displace higher, right? So I was keeping a close eye because, just like this candle ripped, right? So I presume that this candle's probably going to rip, right? But this closure above this wick was a really good sign that, okay, we're going to go higher, right? Let me zoom this in a little bit for y'all, right? So also we rebalanced into PXH, which, it's just one of those ranges that like it's just an added confluence, right? So we had PXH, SMT, right? We had this manipulation leg to rebalance, we manipulated into PXH, also the 0.62, the CE of the range, right? And then we had internal sort of soup plus displacement. It's kind of an A plus setup, right? We targeted like a 1-to-1 on my TradingView account, on my TradeAvate account. It was an Apex, and it played out perfectly in my favor, right? But from the loss that I did take today, right, I did learn that, obviously I want to be waiting for some more confirmation, right? I'm still learning through this process, right? Every day is a learning lesson. So, something good to take from today is that, I should have definitely waited for some more confirmation. And that could have, I could have avoided that loss and caught this win instead on that account too, right? But, every loss is a win. So, as long as I'm following my rules and, keeping my mental straight, I'm learning from these lessons and just applying them to the next day, right? Overall, yeah, pretty difficult day. Shoot, you could have been on both sides of the markets today after the sweep. We also had we had a huge SMT here at one point, like it was a massive SMT, and then obviously we got taken it out with this high right here. But yeah, pretty difficult day. Do want to plug in though? We are finally affiliated with Alpha Futures, Tradeify, and Apex, right? So code CBAS, just SEBAS, my name, right, at checkout for the best promos. And then also do want to plug my Discord because we have a free Discord right now, and we're also we're doing a lot of stuff in the Discord, right? We're giving away Chipotle and accounts and all that like every week. So do tap into that. Trade recaps every day this week. Will not miss a day, regardless of win or loss or break even. Even if I take no trade, I'm gonna do a trade recap. If you do like this video, please subscribe. Post all my recaps. I mean, I'm being completely honest with you guys. You can see top left. It's a loss I took, and then that's a loss I took, and then here I'll show y'all on my Discord. Right. So every execution shown. Oops, there's some trash from last night. And then here's yeah, here you go. Right, so a really simple day today, guys. Just wanted to be on the right side of the market, and I mean I was. It was just unfortunately I did get wicked out. Part of the system, you know. But again, also I should have waited for a more mature entry. So with that being said, y'all, have a blessed day. Do tap into my socials and QC Bass, and I will see y'all tomorrow. So.